NPC Quizmaster setup. WB command to turn the mode on, and right-click the NPC. NPC settings. Screen opens. Change the name. Click the Edit dialog button and input the quiz question. Click the Advanced Settings button. Click the Add Command button. Set up the Command Execution button for the correct answer. Click the button to add another button. Set up the Command Execution button for the incorrect answer. Close the screen after setup is complete. Run WB again to turn the mode off. 11. Right-click.